SanDisk Corporation growth, from flash pioneer to AI-driven storage leader. SanDisk Corporation, officially stylized as SanDisk, is a major American data storage company that has played a pivotal role in shaping the digital memory industry over nearly 4 decades. From its founding in 1988 through massive industry transformations and recent independence, SanDisk's growth story reflects innovation, market shifts, and strategic realignment. 1. Origins and early innovation, 1988-1990s. SanDisk was founded on June 1, 1988, in Milpitas, California, by Eli Harari, Sanjay Mehrotra, and Jack Yuan. The company's early vision centered on flash memory technology, non-volatile memory capable of retaining information without power. One of its first breakthroughs was the development of a reliable floating gate EEPROM, a foundational building block for modern flash storage. In the early 1990s, SanDisk introduced its first products, including flash-based solid-state drives for IBM and innovative memory card formats like flash disk that enabled portable data storage without the need for batteries. By focusing early on flash technology, SanDisk positioned itself ahead of many competitors in a market that was rapidly shifting from magnetic to solid-state storage. 2. Growth through consumer flash memory, 2000s. Throughout the 2000s, SanDisk experienced steady growth by becoming one of the leading brands in consumer storage. Its lineup of USB flash drives, SD cards, micro SD cards, and compact flash products gained popularity worldwide due to reliability, capacity, and compatibility with a burgeoning range of devices from cameras to mobile phones. By manufacturing products across a spectrum of storage form factors, SanDisk capitalized on the exploding demand for digital media storage. Its products became ubiquitous in consumer electronics, ranging from personal computers to portable music players. 3. Acquisition by Western Digital, 2016. A significant shift in SanDisk's corporate history occurred in May 2016, when Western Digital Corporation (WDC) completed its acquisition of SanDisk. This strategic move brought SanDisk into one of the world's largest data storage ecosystems, combining SanDisk's flash memory leadership with Western Digital's expertise in hard disk drives and enterprise storage solutions. The acquisition aimed to position Western Digital as a comprehensive storage solutions provider, offering both magnetic and solid-state technologies to meet varied customer needs in consumer, enterprise, and cloud markets. Although this move integrated SanDisk's technology within a larger corporate structure, the brand continued to develop advanced flash products. 4. Recent independence and relisting, 2025. In a dramatic strategic realignment, Western Digital spun off SanDisk as a standalone public company on February 24, 2025. As part of this transition, SanDisk reclaimed its NASDAQ ticker SNDK and returned to independent operation, marking a new chapter in its long history. The spin-off allowed SanDisk to concentrate entirely on flash memory and solid-state storage technologies at a time when these markets were rapidly evolving, driven primarily by exponential growth in data creation, AI workloads, and cloud infrastructure. 5. Financial performance and growth trajectory. Since relisting, SanDisk's financial growth has accelerated. Revenue growth. SanDisk has reported consistent year-over-year revenue increases through 2025. Annual revenues grew from approximately $6.086 billion in 2023 to $7.355 billion in 2025, reflecting strong demand for flash products across consumer and enterprise segments. Quarterly trends. In the first quarter of fiscal 2026, SanDisk posted revenue of $2.308 billion, a 23% year-over-year increase. The company saw growth across key market segments, including edge computing, consumer devices, and data center storage. Gross margin and cash flow. While margins fluctuated as the company transitioned, SanDisk achieved positive adjusted free cash flow and strengthened its cash position, critical for funding research and development. These financial metrics paint a picture of a company that not only regained growth momentum but also embraced the challenges and opportunities of rapid industry change. 6. Market drivers behind SanDisk's growth. SanDisk's resurgence is driven by several key market trends. A. Exploding demand for flash memory. Global demand for flash storage, especially NAND flash, has surged due to the proliferation of digital devices, smartphones, gaming consoles, and solid-state drives (SSDs). This growth has been a tailwind for SanDisk's core business. B. Artificial intelligence and data centers. The rise of AI and cloud computing has created unprecedented demand for high-capacity, high-performance storage. SanDisk's flash solutions, particularly in data center SSDs, have become increasingly relevant. Analysts expect the data center and AI infrastructure market to continue expanding, boosting demand for SanDisk's advanced products. C. Strategic product innovation. Technological innovation has also been central to growth. SanDisk's development of advanced NAND technologies such as BICS8 reflects its commitment to next-generation storage solutions capable of meeting the performance and capacity demands of modern computing platforms. D. Strategic partnerships. Collaborations such as joint ventures with Kioxia and industry partnerships on high-bandwidth flash standards enhance SanDisk's competitive positioning and broaden its market reach. 7. Strategic rebranding and product evolution. In late 2025 and early 2026, SanDisk unveiled a major rebranding of its SSD product lines, particularly transitioning legacy models like WD Black and WD Blue to new, Optimus tiers targeting consumers, gamers, and professionals alike. This brand refresh aims to modernize the product portfolio and align offerings with current and future storage demands. Additionally, SanDisk has expanded its product lines to include creator-focused SSDs and high-speed memory solutions, especially in regions like India, underscoring a global growth strategy. 8. Stock market performance and investor confidence. SanDisk's stock performance post-spin-off has been remarkable. Shares have soared more than 800% since their February 2025 debut, buoyed by strong financial results and heightened investor interest in data storage tied to AI and cloud trends. This growth culminated in SanDisk's inclusion in the S&P 500 index in late 2025, a milestone that reflects its expanding market capitalization and importance within the broader technology sector. 9. Competitive positioning and challenges. While SanDisk enjoys strong demand, it operates in a highly competitive landscape alongside companies like Micron, Samsung, and Dell Technologies. Persistent competition and the cyclical nature of the memory market pose ongoing challenges. Analysts note that price normalization and supply-demand fluctuations can impact profitability in the coming years. However, SanDisk's technology portfolio, focus on innovation, and strong branding provide strategic advantages as the industry evolves. 10. Future outlook. Looking ahead, several opportunities and trends are likely to shape SanDisk's growth. Continued growth in AI and data center infrastructure spending, driving demand for high-performance storage. Expansion of edge computing markets and consumer device upgrades, further increasing NAND flash content. Ongoing product innovation in NAND technologies and SSD architectures to maintain competitive edge. Collectively, these factors suggest SanDisk is well positioned to sustain its growth trajectory into the next decade, particularly as data creation and memory requirements continue their exponential rise. Conclusion. SanDisk's growth journey from an early flash memory pioneer to a standalone storage powerhouse reflects both technological evolution and strategic reinvention. With solid financial performance, strong demand from AI and data center markets, product innovation, and renewed investor confidence, SanDisk stands as a compelling example of how legacy tech brands can reinvent and thrive in the modern digital economy.